Today in this video I'm going to show you the Windows 10 Start menu not working or not opening is a common problem for many users. How to fix Windows 10 Start menu not working effectively. Fix the problem. Follow my all-step. Don't skip the video. Open Settings, right-click on Start menu and select to Settings. Then click on Windows Update. Select Update and Security. And it will automatically check for available updates. If not, click the Check for Updates button. After that, download and install available updates, restart your computer if necessary, and check if the issues still persist. File Explorer plays a vital role in managing the Windows user interface. That is, Windows 10 can fix Start menu not working problems. Tap to open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+ Shift+ Escape button. Find out the Windows Explorer under the Processes tab. Click the right button on the taskbar and select the Restart option. Wait for a few seconds as it restarts. Once done, check if the issue persists. Enter a pop-up message. Run a System File Checker, SFC, scan. Press Windows key plus X key on your keyboard and open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. Allow the scan to complete. After SFC does its job, reboot your PC and try to open files. If you get the Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations message, try running DISM before SFC. Launch PowerShell as administrator. Type DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health and press Enter. After complete, restart your PC. Run PowerShell as admin again. Use the SFC command sfc/scan now to check for damaged system files. Restart your computer one last time and try to launch. Now, next solution. Reset Windows 10. Finally, if the system restore scenario isn't possible on your computer or if it returns errors, you can restore Windows 10 to factory settings. It takes a while and all your applications will be uninstalled, but your personal files will be kept safe. Press Windows key plus X key on your keyboard and go to Settings. Then go to Update and Security. Thereafter go to the Recovery option. Click Get Started. Select Keep My Files and proceed with the step-by-step instructions. Make sure to set your preferences after Windows resets. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.